Hi, I'm Viktoras Karapetyants from Traders Union. I'd like to share a few thoughts on the bonuses and promotions offered by Pocket Option. This might be useful if you're new or just looking into the platform. Right off the bat, there's a first deposit bonus, sometimes up to 100%. Sounds generous, but remember there's some work behind it. You usually have to reach a trading volume that's 20 to 30 times the bonus amount. That's standard in the industry, but it's something to think about before activating. Pocket Option also offers various promotions, cashback, and trading tournaments. Tournaments can be interesting if you want to try something different. Entry is usually between $0 and $1, and there are real prizes. It's a fun way to stay active if you're already trading regularly. There's also a referral program. Bring in a friend and earn a percentage of their trading activity. Nothing new, but as a passive income source, it's decent once you're familiar with the platform. The main advice? Always read the fine print on any bonus. Don't take a bonus just because it's available. Know what's required to unlock it and whether that fits your trading style. To sum up, Pocket Option does offer bonuses. They're varied and they work, but they're not magic. They're more of an extra tool than a quick profit solution. If you use them wisely, they can definitely come in handy.